Markets reward discipline, not emotion. Most investors fail not because they lack information, but because they lack a repeatable decision system. This is a decision frame, a professional architecture designed to help you trade calmly, rationally, and systematically. When you have a trade idea, you don't act on impulse. You come here, select your risk profile, and score the opportunity and risk from 1 to 10. In under 30 seconds, the system objectively classifies a move as invest, hold, or reevaluate. It separates your process from your emotions instantly. One click sends your data to a permanent journal. But discipline is about more than one trade. The system tracks your 30-day rolling streak and consistency levels. It's a dashboard designed for daily use to help you build habits that actually compound. When you grab this on Gumroad, you'll get a view-only link. Just click File, then make a copy to create your private version. The first time you click a button, Google will ask for authorization. This is a standard, one-time setup that takes 30 seconds and keeps your data 100% private to you. Systematic decisions compound. Emotional decisions decay. Choose the side you want to be on. Get the decision frame today and start deciding better.